In this video, I will discuss the concept of rationalizing the denominator. I have another video where I discuss a more complicated question similar to the exam. But in this video, I want to talk about the idea behind the skill of rationalizing the denominator. Now, these are two good words to know: rationalize and denominator. The word denominator is the bottom of a fraction, in this case, the number root 2. Root 2 is an irrational number because it has a root. Any number where the root does not simplify away is considered irrational. And the word rationalize means to make a number rational, in this case, to cancel out the root. So I want to cancel out the root out of the bottom of this fraction to rationalize the denominator. Now I'm going to take the number 1 over root 2 and multiply it by 1. I will not change the value of this number by multiplying by 1. And 1 can be written as the same number over itself, in this case root 2 over root 2. And I do that because the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 will cancel out the root. This becomes 2 power 2 once I multiply, and the power of 2 will cut the root of 2, and I will get just a rational number of 2, the square root of 2 over 2. So the number 1 over root 2 is equivalent in value to the number root 2 over 2. They are actually the same number. However, this is the standard way that we will write the number. When there is an irrational number on the bottom, we will want to try to make that become a rational number. This is the standard way of writing this value. Now I want to remind you that if you have a square root, that is a root of 2, you need a power of 2 to cancel that root. You need a pair to cancel a root. But if you have a root 5, a power 2 will not cancel a root 5. A pair of 2's does not cancel from a root of 5. You would need to have a power 5. You would need to have 5 2's to cancel the root of 5. So in this last example, I'm going to start by 1 over the 5th root of 2 power 2. And I need to make that 2 power 2 become a 2 power 5 to cancel this root of 5. And I will do that by making the choice of 2 power 3 multiplied under the root of 5, top and bottom. I multiply this by root 5, 2 power 3 over root 5, 2 power 3. Because now I have a total of 5 2's. Once I put these together underneath this 5th root, I have 2 power 2 multiplied by 2 power 3. And they're still under the 5th root. And I also have it on top because 1 times this root of 5, 2 power 3, is root 5, 2 power 3. Now on the bottom, these 5's, the 2 power 5, these 5 2's, 2 power 5, will cancel this root. And now I have a rational number on the bottom. And the number on top will not simplify anymore because 2 power 3 is not enough to cut with a root 5. This is my rationalized denominator.